So hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to install Eclipse IDE for Java programming. So before installing EDE, you should have installed Java JDK on your system on your Windows. So if you don't know how to do that, I've already made the video on that. You can find the link in the description and click on it and watch how to install Java JDK for Eclipse. And now once you install the Java JDK, now go to the Eclipse, type Eclipse and enter, and you will be redirected to this page, and the download option will appear here. So just click on it. Now you can see it is Eclipse IDE, and now you have to click on this download button. Now you can see that this is here we have a installation file. So just need to click on this, and it is saved by 512 uh, encryption. So you just need to click on this. When you click, it will start downloading Eclipse file automatically. So it is of 120 MB. So once the file is downloaded, just need to click on it to open it. Now the window will appear here. Eclipse installer by oomph. Wait for a moment to start installation. Now four options are available here. Four or more options are available here. So if you are looking to install Eclipse IDE for Java developer, you have to click on this. If you want to use Eclipse for Java and web designing, you have to click on this. And if you want to use for C and C++, you have to click on this. So accordingly, you have to click the options. If you want Eclipse for PHP, you can click on this. So since we are installing for the Java, so we have to click on the first option. Now this is our JDK Java JDK directory where we have Java JDK file has been installed. So it should will automatically locate that file, and now we have to click, or we have to check both options and click on next install. Now we have to accept the agreement. So yeah, click on accept now. So without Java JDK, you cannot run any program. So make sure you have installed the Java JDK on your system. So it is very easy process, but in environmental process there's some confusion. So you just need to watch that video that I have already made. Go and watch video, and you can find the link in description. So once the Java JDK setup complete, now you can just run this in Eclipse installer and install it and just run your first Java program. Now the once the installation complete, the launch button will appear. Just click on this launch button, and it will launch Eclipse IDE 2022. 2212, and this interface looks very dynamic as compared to older time when I used to use it. Themes, March, photo. Now it is just simple Eclipse IDE without any planet's name or any physics name. Now you just have to select the workspace. You can name it as per your own requirement. So I'm going to name it first work project or workshop, and just click on launch, and it will start Eclipse IDE. It will load all the libraries, all the files while launching. My PC is low end, that's why it is taking a lot of time to load and process. So just guys mind it and have patience. Once it is open, the page open here, just double click on it. And it comes right now with the dark theme, so light mode default. So now what you have to do, you have to create a Java project. Click on Java, create a Java project. We can close this window or option. So now the browser open for guiding me. Now I can name it our first project Java tutorial. Fine. And just click on next. I can and finish it. After this, just close this. It is not needed. Close this as well. Outline not needed. And now what we can do, we have to open our project. Go to source folder, open the project, expand it, go to source, and this is our module info. So we are going to create our first Java program here. So we have to right click on it and to just restart. This is our module, so we are going to close it. Just right click on it, click click on new, and just choose the class here. Just name the class like first class. Fine, and click on finish. So it will create a class here, and after that, now we are going to print our first statement, hello world. So sys out, yeah, there is option sys out, system dot out dot print ln. This is a function to print any statement, and we are going to use hello world. Fine, right now it is showing error, so we are going to fix it by just expected, since we are using this is fine. So we have to create our main class, then we are going to use it. I just forget it. Everything I used it before 5 years ago, so that's why I didn't remember the syntax. So public static void main and then string and then curly bracket and then arg. After that, use curly bracket again and paste this statement inside it and keep it as so. Here it is showing, so we need to declare any module here. So and after this, guys, just save the file, and you also have to declare the package here at the beginning. So just save it. Once you save it, just run it. Run to run, just click on run button and click on run. So now you can see the output hello world. So guys, what was the error? I used the Java keyword in the package, and that is not allowed in the Java or Eclipse IDE. So you have to make sure that package name should be anything, but do not use the Java keyword in the package name. That's why I was getting that error. So yeah, that's how you can and now you can put any statement here. Hello world. This is Java tutorial. If I print this, and you can see the output, yeah, this is it. So the hello world, this is Java tutorial. So yeah, that's how you can install Eclipse IDE on your system and run your first Java hello world program on Windows 10. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.